Imagine if you invested just $100 today and it turned into $10,000 in the future. Sounds crazy, but it's possible if you invest smart. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you 5 powerful investment ideas that beginners can start today, even with small money. Idea number 1. Investing in stocks means owning a small part of a company like Apple Inc. or Amazon. Over time, good companies grow, and so does your money. Idea number 2, ETFs are like a bundle of stocks. Instead of picking one company, you invest in many at once. Less risk, more stability. Idea number 3, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin can grow fast, but they are risky. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Idea number 4, buying property or investing in REITs lets you earn passive income. People always need homes, so real estate stays valuable. Idea 5, index funds. Index funds track the whole market. Perfect for beginners. Set it, forget it, and let your money grow. Bonus tip. The real secret is consistency. Even $10 weekly can grow big over time. Start small, stay consistent, and think long-term. Which investment will you try first? Let me know in the comments.